Uniting for Earth's healing, our shared responsibility. 1. It's time to double our efforts in helping the Earth heal. We need to work twice as hard to help the Earth get better. 2. Make a conscious effort to choose what's good for the planet. Always try to pick things that are good for the Earth, like recycling and saving energy. 3. Take part in programs and initiatives for the environment. Join activities and groups that help take care of nature, like planting trees or cleaning parks. 4. Make contributions to Earth conservation causes. Help out by giving money or time to groups that protect the Earth and animals. 5. We only have one Earth. Together, we can save it. We have just one planet, and if we work together, we can keep it safe and healthy.